Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about personal finance and passive income through dividend stocks. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, I want to welcome everyone, and I want to thank everyone that has joined the channel in the last month or two. I've gained over 20 something subscribers, so thank you for joining and subscribing, and hopefully you're getting my updates. Well, today we had a really good day in the stock market. We had a 1% gain here in the Robinhood, so we're up a little over 1%. That's a decent gain, but the stock that took the show today was AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Okay, Advanced Micro Devices was up today again, and they were up 5.79%. Okay, so that's Advanced Micro Devices. Last week, there was a story that possible AMD is working with Microsoft on an artificial intelligence chip. Okay, so we see the stock move over the last week. After earnings, the stock dipped, and then the news came out that they were working with Microsoft, and it jumped up. So again, stock is up over 6% over the last week. We'll find out if the rumors are true. AMD is working with Microsoft, but on the day, AMD stock is up 5.79%, one of the top performing stocks today in my Robinhood portfolio, as well as in my TD account. Okay. So overall, up 1%. Let's see what else was moving today. We did have Airbnb up 5% today. Airbnb shares were up 4.79%, and I believe they're set to report earnings this week. So Airbnb shares were up today 4.79% during regular trade, and then another 0.80% after hours. So basically another 1% after hours. Kudos to Airbnb. If you're interested in Airbnb, it may be a good time to take a look at Airbnb stock. Okay, so those were some of the top performing stocks: Airbnb, AMD, and let's take a look at Tesla. I think I did see Tesla have a pretty decent day. Looks like Tesla shares were up just 0.55%, about a 0.5% today. Tesla shares were up 1% there. And okay, so I'm down here in the Robinhood. I'm down in my position here in Tesla, down 24%. But either way, Tesla was up today slightly, 1% on the day. Okay, so that was Tesla. Let's take a quick look at the TD account, and let's see what we were up. Again, we were up pretty much the same, 1%. Again, AMD was the top performing stock today, up 5.58%, up a little over $85. Second place was Okta, the cloud security software, was up 7.41%. Again, enterprise software struggling a bit. The shares used to trade about $100 per share, but slowly but surely, Okta and other cloud stocks are making their way back toward the $100 per share. I still think Okta provides a great value. Again, after reporting earnings, they were up 7.41% on the day. Also, SoFi did rebound again today. They were up 5.62%. Over the last week, they've been down quite a bit. They were trading around $4 and some change. This week, they're back in the fives. That's good news. Again, as the banking crisis kind of for a few days looks like everything's a good go. SoFi Technologies was up 5.62%. Now, the only other thing is slowing down SoFi Technologies is the fact that they have student loans out, and student loans have been on a moratorium now for over 3 years. So if student loans could be lifted and we get back to business, SoFi could go back to $7 or $8 per share. But until we get the student loans moratorium, we're going to be in tough shape with SoFi Technologies. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, Tesla was up slightly, 0.64% for a gain of $52. And then another small cap stock was up 26%. That's Palantir Technologies. Again, they're still working through a lot of difficulties in proving their business models, but this earnings call, they did report well, and they did have, I guess, a positive forecast. They're up 26%. Again, they're down from $20. Basically, they're down over 50% over a year ago. Palantir Technologies, I would not invest in it at this time, but again, for the day, they were up 26%. ChargePoint was up today, 3.31%. And also Twilio, I believe, had a decent earnings call as well. Let's take a quick look at Twilio. This is another cloud stock. They do voice over IP. Twilio. Let's see, Twilio. They work with Uber and some other major platforms. They even work with airlines. Okay, it looks like maybe coming up tomorrow at 5 Eastern. Again, they were up today almost 5%. Twilio to report Q1 earnings. As Twilio is scheduled to report first quarter 2023 results on May 9th. Okay, so that's tomorrow. Twilio anticipates a revenue of $995 million to $1.005 billion for the first quarter. The Zacks census estimates this is pegged at $998 million, so it looks like they may beat expectations. The cloud-based communication platform and service expected non-GAAP revenue 18 cents and 22 cents per share. The consensus mark for the non-GAAP is pegged at 20 cents per share for a year ago quarter break even. We expect Twilio to report earnings of 18 cents per share in the first quarter of 2023. Okay, so looks like they're going to have a pretty decent earnings call. Again, they do not report till tomorrow. So that's not going to come out till tomorrow after 5 o'clock. Twilio, they will report. But as far as going into earnings, they're looking pretty good. Again, now this stock is down dramatically too from over a year. They're down over 45%. Twilio has struggled. Again, it's a cloud-based platform service. They basically handle communications between Uber and other big conference call companies that use conference calls. So that includes some airlines that do conference call. That includes Bank of America and other partners. But the shares are down over 50% over a year ago. Pretty tough deal for Twilio. Basically, they're struggling because of the interest rates. Cost of capital is costing a lot of these high-flying technology companies that don't have necessarily a profit per share, so to speak. Okay, so Twilio looks to report tomorrow. Hopefully we get some good positive guidance on tomorrow, but the shares are down over 45% over last year. And for the day, they were up 4.72%. Okay, so that is the update. Again, today the top stock was AMD. AMD was up 5.79%, and the others that were up as well. Okta was up 7.41%, and Tesla was up 0.64%. Remember, Tesla does have the Cybertruck coming. So if we get some more news on the Cybertruck, maybe this stock will make a run back to $200 per share. A good day in the market. Let's see if the banks can hold on, if the banking crisis can stay calm for the next couple days, and the stock market can continue to rally. So it was a great day. Again, AMD, the top stock today, up 5.79%. I want to thank you for watching. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, and I'll see you on the next one.